Hello, my name is Tushar Chawda and I am the owner of MSA Instrument based in Kolkata. For over 3 decades, MSA Instrument has been a trusted name in process instrumentation, gas detection, and measurement solutions, serving clients in partnership with companies like Siemens and Honeywell across Eastern India. Prior to factoHR, we were maintaining our records manually in Excel sheets, which came with its own set of challenges. Following up with each member to check if they are working or on leave, integrity and accuracy of data. Leave management was challenging because application being sent via message, WhatsApp, phone calls, late coming, early going tracking was impossible. All these factors also impacted the salary processing system. As an SME, we needed a solution for this something which our employee would be comfortable using, which did not require us to invest in complicated IT setup and which automated the process in a manner that help us save time and reduces margin of error. We are currently using factoHR for maintaining all employee record and data, also for managing attendance, leaves, completing onboarding and exit formalities, and payroll processing. factoHR's mobile application has ensured that we do not need to invest additional amount in setting up a biometric system at our office, as we have a mix of both in-house and field staff, so mobile application is very convenient for our staff to use since the functionality is very user friendly. We are in a much better place today than we were when we started, and we would like to thank the factoHR team for their continued support. Thank you.